welcome back to my channel. My channel is about hair, nails, and beauty inside and out. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can be able to see all of the videos that I will be uploading every Tuesday and every Wednesday. So today I am back again. I will be doing a video on micro beads and also sewing in my hair on micro beads. Okay, so I'll be actually applying those, and I'm going to take these braids out. This is from the week before last week. I had these braids in and it lasts a long while. Actually, if you have seen any of the videos that I had, if you haven't, you can go ahead and check those out as well and see the video that I had before when I had the braids. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids out now. Go ahead and freshen my hair up. Go ahead and shampoo it, condition it, blow dry it, and I'll be right back. And we're gonna start on the process of applying the hair to my hair with the micro beads, okay? I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so as you can see, I made it a braid right here in the front, and I also cornrowed the sides, and I also cornrowed the back all the way around. Okay, I want it to be in a way that I can actually place my hair into a ponytail and so forth, as you can see. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna be using this comb. This is a hair cutting comb right here, and this is the hook that you could use for crochet. I'm gonna use that as well. And here is the hair extension. This is what I'm gonna actually be using for my hair. And I have butterfly clips. Also the thread removal. I'm gonna be using that, as well as a thread. I'm going to be using that to actually feed the braids into my hair. And as you can see, these are the silicone beads right here. These are silicone micro beads links. So that's what I'm going to be actually using on the thread. And I already threaded up some needles. And so the hair extension, so the sorry you guys, I'm so tongue twisted. So what I'm gonna actually be using is pliers. And the pliers that I'll be using to actually bring the bead to a hold so it won't be able to move from the hair at all. I'm going to basically use the pliers, and that's going to help to keep the silicone micro link beads to the hair so that it would not slide. And you're going to be basically sewing, going through where those silicone micro links going to be at. That's basically what you're going to be doing, and you're not doing any form of a braid at all. Okay, so you can attach and remove the silicone micro beads link from your hair with the pliers as well. Okay, so these pliers are stainless steel, and it has a grip, a comfort grip on it. Okay, so you basically can use it to remove and to actually apply it back to your hair. Okay, I paid about $14.99 for it at a local beauty store. You can also buy it from Sally's as well. I don't know what Sally price is, but you definitely can get it from Sally's, and you definitely can get it from Amazon as well. I'll do a listing of everything in the description box. This video would definitely be a part 1 and part 2 So just stay on the lookout for the next video first thing tomorrow, you guys. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video and let you see. Basically right now I'm just basically showing you guys how I am beading up the thread right now, so you guys can see how I did that. And then I'm going to show you guys the hair that I'm actually going to be using today. So the hair that I'm using, you can actually dye the hair, bleach the hair, and also perm the hair. Okay, it's a fresh, wet, and wavy hair, Brazilian virgin Remy hair. And it's also 100% human hair. It has 7 pieces. It has 14 inch, 12 inch, and it has a 10 inch, and it also has a closure piece to go along with it, which each one, which is the 14, the 12, and the 10, it comes with 2 bundles in it as well, you guys. And the hair feels really nice and soft. This right here is the actual oil that I'll be using to my hair, but I'm not going to apply but so much, just a very little. You don't want to apply too much because you do not want the micro beads, micro link beads, to actually slide by the oil that you put in your hair. Okay, so basically I'm still feeding the beads through on the thread. So I'm just getting all of that together before I start the process, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let each and every one of you enjoy the video, and I definitely will see each and every one of you tomorrow. Thank you so much for visiting this channel and watching my channel, you guys. And if you see anything else that you like, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see alert with every video that I will be posting. And I will see each and every one of y'all tomorrow. Bye. Just wanted to show you guys how you can do a sew-in without having to braid your hair at all. And basically you can use the micro bead, which is silicone links. You can use these and you get the color that matches your hair or your desired color. It could be black, brown. Of course, these ones are dark brown that I got, which you technically can still see the color, which this is how it looks. Okay, which I could have got a black. This is how it look, and I basically use the thread and apply it to the thread, and then basically to use the thread with a little hoop, and then I just basically hook this onto the hair, take one of the beads, hook it onto the hair, and pull the hair through, pretty much. And the bead was on there, and basically took clamp and squeezed it. And to remove, you basically can use the same one, and then you can go in between where the bead actually be, and while it's flat, and then just basically reopen it. So tomorrow, you guys, I'll go more in to more details and show you guys how I actually styled and do everything. Just wanted to come on here tonight, just basically to show you guys the type of hair I'm using, and I'm going to list everything that I use on both videos. So I'm gonna get all of that prepped tonight, so no worries. All information you need will be below in the description box, okay, for both videos. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I'm doing tomorrow. Just wanted to show you guys first. So I didn't go all the way up here because I have another video I would like to show you guys, which is a part 2 for this video for tomorrow. So I just wanted to show you how I actually prep it. So that's what I will be doing tomorrow. But you guys, I like this hair. I really like this hair, you guys. I like this hair. It looks really, 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 really good. And this hair is really good. This one braid is like in the way right now. But indeed. Now, if you're natural like I am, this would definitely benefit you if you have the patience to do it. So tomorrow I will be right back, and if you like what you see and you're interested in seeing more and you want to see what's going on tomorrow, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay alert, so you can see when I'm actually getting ready to post this video, when it actually posts, so you can be able to see what's the next step and furthermore videos that I'll be posting up here, you guys. And don't forget to share this video, give this video a thumbs up. So I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? And I will show you guys. I'm so excited because I have so much things to show you guys. So tomorrow I will show you what the next step is and what I plan to do, and it will be the ending of that whole video so you guys can see what the surprising news of what I'm doing to my hair. And I promise you guys, you're gonna like it. So tomorrow. See you guys. Bye.